Yeah, this is one of those steps in the process I really look forward to. With the new Craftsman style door is up, and this is actually a fiberglass door, so that'll keep from getting things bumped and dented like a metal door would. Did the same back over here. This is again a craftsman's style door for the side door, and it's also fiberglass. The blue tape you see, that's just some drywall touch-up. We're going to try to get that done. We're actually starting paint. We'll actually, probably next video will be paint on the ceiling, and next week we will have cabinets installed. So again, it's starting to look pretty good. We can see the windows are trimmed out. I think this is really going to start looking more and more like a brand new house, which that's the whole idea that we were trying to do. So that being said, just hang tight. Thanks for watching these videos. I do appreciate that. Sharing those videos is kind of fun for us. We don't make anything for that, but if somebody wants to see a process of new, a remodel from start to finish, you'll get a pretty good sense of what that looks like. Appreciate it.